Creating a query can sometimes be difficult. So this was a task that parts of the task students lost some marks on. So you can see the first part of this, you'd be able to get 2 marks. Second part, you would get 3 marks, okay? So Simon wants a list of holidays that are liveaboard, are 7 days duration and use blue water dive boats, and they've told you which table to create the query on, so it's based on the destinations table. So I'll just go in here into my database, create. I'm going to use the query design tool. I know that I'm using the destinations table and I'm going to close that. They didn't specify which fields to use, so I'm going to add all of them, and I'm just following the order that they appear in the table here. And if we just remind ourselves, they need to be liveaboard, so that's in this one here, so live aboard. Remember, it won't work if you've got any spelling mistakes there. It also says that it must be 7 days duration, so I'm going to say equals 7. And last criteria is using blue water dive boats. Now, if we just open up our destinations table, we can see that we've got blue water 1 and we've also got blue water 2. So we need to ensure that both those are included. So you can do that by having blue water and blue so they are both included in there, and when you're happy with that, you can go to design and run, and you have got your answers there. So you can see I've got 2 results, and that's how I create my query. That would have given me my 2 marks. Now it says to save the query and to take a screenshot of it in design view. So to save your query, you can just right click and save, and they want you to have the screenshot of it in design view. So that's clicking on this triangle here, and it would be taking the screenshot as mentioned. So that would be your evidence. Then it says that the list must only show the fields in this order, so holiday ID, region and country. So holiday ID, region and country. So I can quickly, if I wanted to change these around, just change this to region and just change this to country, and they only want these fields showing. So I'm going to unhide. Well, I'm going to hide these actually by unticking these boxes. And they also said that they would like to have it in descending order of holiday ID. So you've got the sort thing, there we go, and then we just run it again, and there we go. So that would have been the next part. So again, it said it should be displayed in displayed order and sorted results, and then taking a screenshot of them, and again it should be pasted into that Word document called A2.